Hey everyone, it's Ilongo. We all know that feeling of wanting something but not having the cash for it. Maybe it's a new phone, shoes, or an unexpected expense. It's easy to fall into the trap of high-interest debt, thinking it's just a temporary fix. But high-interest debt is one of the fastest ways to derail your finances. Over time, it can drain your finances and derail your financial goals. In this video, we'll break down the true cost of high-interest debt and how it affects your long-term financial health. We'll dive into what high-interest debt is, how it can snowball out of control, and steps to tackle it head-on. Let's dive in. Before we get into how to fight high-interest debt, we need to understand what we're dealing with. High-interest debt refers to borrowing with a high annual percentage rate, or APR. APR is the price you pay for borrowing money. Some credit, like mortgages or student loans, can have high interest rates but are tied to an asset or serve a specific purpose. We're talking about debt that sneaks up on you: credit card balances, payday loans, and personal loans with high interest rates. These are marketed as quick fixes but come at a steep price. For example, carrying a balance on a credit card with a 20% APR means losing 20% on anything you buy with that card. A $1,000 laptop can end up costing you an extra $200 in the first year alone if you're only making minimum payments. Over time, those interest charges compound, creating a vicious cycle. Payday loans are even worse, with astronomical interest rates often in the triple digits. A $500 payday loan with a 400% APR can easily double or triple the original amount if not paid back right away. High-interest debt is designed to trap you in a cycle of borrowing and repayment. But there is a way out. High-interest debt isn't just about throwing away money on interest payments. It affects your entire financial well-being, both now and in the future. High-interest debt eats away at your financial flexibility. Every dollar paid towards interest is a dollar you can't use for something else. It's like having a leak in your financial bucket. Debt can drain your resources, making it harder to get ahead. High credit card balances can hurt your credit score, affecting your ability to qualify for the best mortgage rates. The interest on your debt can grow faster than your investments. The mental and emotional toll of high-interest debt can lead to stress, anxiety, and strain your relationships. Constantly worrying about making payments and feeling like you're drowning in debt is not a fun place to be. But you don't have to live like this. There are proven strategies to break free from high-interest debt. Chapter 3. Breaking Free, your step-by-step guide to debt freedom. Let's get into how to break free from high-interest debt. Step 1 is acknowledging the problem. Gather all your statements and figure out exactly how much you owe and what interest rates you're dealing with. Create a debt repayment plan. There are two popular methods, the Avalanche and the Snowball. The Avalanche method focuses on paying down the debt with the highest interest rate first. The Snowball method prioritizes paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Choose the method that resonates most with you. Debt consolidation might be a good option if you have multiple high-interest debts. This involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate to pay off your existing debts. Negotiate with your creditors for a lower interest rate or to waive fees. Cut back on non-essential spending. Be mindful of your spending habits and find areas to cut back. Cook at home more often. Find a more affordable gym membership, or work out at home. Consider finding ways to increase your income. Take on a side hustle, sell unused belongings online, or ask for a raise at work. The more money you can throw at your debt, the faster you'll pay it off. Stay committed to your plan. Track your progress and celebrate small victories. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Chapter 4. Life after debt. The incredible benefits of financial freedom. Imagine the feeling of logging into your accounts and seeing those balances at zero. The weight lifted off your shoulders, the stress melting away, and the sense of pride and accomplishment. That's the power of financial freedom. Paying off high-interest debt is about reclaiming control of your finances, your life, and your future. It's about breaking free from the chains of debt and stepping into a world of possibilities. One immediate benefit is a boost to your credit score. As you pay down your debts, your credit utilization ratio improves. A higher credit score opens doors to better interest rates on loans, lower insurance premiums, and more job opportunities. With your debt out of the way, you'll have more cash flow to work with. Invest more money each month, build a solid emergency fund, save for a down payment on a home, or take that dream vacation. The possibilities are endless. No more sleepless nights worrying about debt collectors. Just peace of mind, financial confidence, and the freedom to pursue your passions. Paying off high-interest debt is a journey, but each step you take is an investment in a brighter future. Chapter 5. Take action. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. We've covered a lot today, from understanding the true cost of high-interest debt to exploring the benefits of breaking free. But now it's time to take action. Knowledge without action is meaningless. What's one step you can take today to start tackling your high-interest debt? Create a budget, call your credit card company to negotiate a lower interest rate, or commit to putting an extra $50 towards your debt each month. You are not alone in this journey. There are resources available to help you, from financial education websites to credit counseling agencies. Commit to yourself and your financial future to make a change today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial health transform. High-interest debt can feel overwhelming, but taking action today will lead to a brighter financial future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial health improve. What's your first step to tackling high-interest debt? Share in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you in the next video.